In this video, you'll learn how to buy used PC parts on eBay. By following these steps, you will ensure a smoother purchasing experience and make informed decisions about your components. Begin by identifying the specific PC components you want to purchase, such as a processor, graphics card, or memory. Conduct thorough research on each part to confirm compatibility with your existing computer system. Understanding the specifications of the components is crucial, as it helps you avoid purchasing incorrect parts that may not work with your setup. Additionally, check the average market prices for these components to understand what constitutes a fair deal. Knowing the normal price range for each part will help you identify suspicious listings and avoid overpaying. Preparation in this initial phase makes the buying process much smoother. While browsing through the listings on eBay, it is essential to evaluate the seller and their specific listing carefully. Start by reviewing the seller's feedback score and comments left by previous buyers. Reliable sellers typically provide detailed descriptions along with clear, high-quality photos of the components. Look for specific information regarding the condition of the part, its usage history, and any testing results that may have been conducted. Avoid listings that lack clear photos or do not provide enough detailed information about the item. By comparing multiple sellers, you can find better options that suit your needs. This careful evaluation significantly reduces the risk of buying faulty parts. Once you have selected a suitable listing, take the time to review the price, shipping cost, and return policy before finalizing your purchase. It is important to use eBay's secure checkout system to complete the payment, as this adds an extra layer of protection. Avoid sending money through external payment methods that operate outside of the platform, as this can expose you to potential scams. Keep detailed records of your purchase, including shipping information and any correspondence with the seller. Once the item arrives, inspect it carefully to confirm that it matches the description and is in the expected condition. Following these steps helps ensure a safer and more satisfactory purchase experience. By conducting thorough research on the parts you need, evaluating sellers and listings carefully, and completing your purchase using eBay's secure system, you set yourself up for success in buying used PC parts. Always remember to take your time during each step to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Keeping an eye on the details will lead to a more positive outcome. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.